What's up miners, welcome to another video. In this video I will show you how to mine Silica using the Amiable app and also some other miner programs for the CPU and GPU that will deliver better performance for you. So if you are not familiar with Silica, I will leave the link in the description so you can check it out. Just to give you an idea, if we go to CoinGecko and we take a look at the ranking, is currently in number 126 with a price of 0.06. So the first thing that you need is to get a wallet so you can get your own address to receive the funds. You have some options like Guarda, Atomic Wallet, Exodus. After that, you are going to open up your Windows starter menu and type Windows Security. We are going to be placing an exclusion on a folder, so go to Virus and Threat Protection, Manage Settings, scroll down to Exclusions, Add or Remove Exclusion. Add an exclusion to a folder, and then from here under the desktop I have a folder named exclusion, so I select this one. I place the exclusion there. This will allow me to download all the miner files that I need without them being flagged as malware, even though they are not. So after that we are gonna go to onminable.com, click download, and download the file on the left, which is the MFI version. Save it inside the folder. We're gonna press Ctrl J in Chrome so that we can keep the dangerous file, keep anyway, show in folder, and from here we are going to right click and extract here. We're gonna get this file, which is the Amiable Miner app. Okay, we're gonna right click it and run as administrator. Once the program loads, just click continue. If you have a graphics card in your computer with at least 4 GB of memory, go for this option, otherwise CPU, click next. You are going to find Silica in the drop down list. You are going to enter an address for Silica, and you can use this code E4XD-WMZL. This will allow you to drop the pool fee from 1% to 0.75%. You can click start. So let's give this a couple of minutes to ramp up. In the meantime, we can check the settings, make sure we are in high intensity, the worker name is set, we have the code, we can save and restart. In the lower left corner, you are going to see the hash rate popping up in just a matter of seconds. This confirms that we are mining, that we are connecting to the mining pool and we're mining. So at the moment it's around 1,300, not bad. I'm going to stop here and I'm going to show you another way of mining with the programs directly, and that brings more performance. So this is the second way of mining using the mining programs directly. We have XMRig for CPU mining and we have Gminer for GPU mining. So for let's say XMRig, all you have to do is, I have this file, start mining, right click it, run as administrator. And this is a file that I created, so it's pre-configured. It asks you all the details that you need. So in this case, we can type ZIL for the coin, the address, then a location, and then a name for the worker. Wait a couple of seconds, and after that, hit enter again. This is the second improve that I made. I dropped the donation fee from 1% to 0%, so you don't have to pay XMRig for with time of using the program. You will see all the connections to the mining pool, and this confirms that the program is working and you are mining. Now if you go back to Gminer, for example, it's a similar process, a file that we just run, and it requests all the details it needs. So we type the coin, we type the address, then a location, and if your card has 4 GB, etc hash. If your card has more than 4 GB of memory, et hash. Then the name of the worker, GPU worker for example. The program starts and it will make all the connections to the pool. In my case, this is the card that I use for recording, and it's only 1 GB card, so it's not going to be mining. It's just for demonstration how it works. In your case, you will see the program connecting to the pool and mining. If you go back to XMRig and we press the letter H, we can see the hash rate, and this confirms that we are mining. Try to connect via wired internet instead of Wi-Fi. try to close as many programs as you can. Try to increase the Windows virtual memory. All of these little things are optimizations for you to get additional hash rate, okay? It's very simple. That's all there is to it. I'm available to help you in Telegram. The link is in the description. If you have any question, if you want help with the setup or optimizations, anything like that, I'm happy to help. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.